Welcome back to Top Moments TV. Today, we will take you on an amazing journey, exploring every step of the forestry process. From felling giant trees to processing wood into quality products. Watching large trucks carrying wood climb dangerous passes. Experience breathtaking moments and witness the perfect combination of people and technology. Have you ever stood in front of a giant tree and wondered what secrets it might be hiding? The rotten reins, the traces of time, all tell the story of centuries of standing tall in the middle of nature. But when these giants become a threat, fortunately, we have extraordinary people who take on the responsibility of bringing them down to the ground safely, without harming anyone or anything around. The roar of chainsaws, combined with the majestic sounds of giant forestry machines, create a symphony in the old forest. This is not just a job, but a challenging and exciting adventure, where modern mechanical power blends with absolute dexterity and concentration. The loggers, the silent heroes of the green forest, not only face the enormous power of nature, but also have to master each saw stroke, each winch rope. They are not just loggers, but also artisans, engineers and explorers, performing a daring dance in the mountains and the Pond's Ergo 8W is an icon in the logging industry, representing the cutting edge of modern forestry technology. Designed to maximize performance and minimize environmental impact, the machine is not only a powerful working tool but also a valuable assistant for foresters around the world. The Pond's Ergo 8W features a robust design, combining a durable chassis with a flexible travel system, allowing it to easily operate on the most rugged and difficult terrain. With a modern cabin, the operator is guaranteed 360-degree visibility, enhancing control and safety during work. The cabin is also equipped with an air conditioning system and a vibration-reducing seat, providing maximum comfort even when working for long periods. The Alstor 821-8X8 is one of the most modern machines available, designed to meet the needs of transporting logs in the harshest conditions. With a combination of advanced technology, high performance and durability, this machine not only helps to optimize labor efficiency but also contributes to reducing environmental impact, an important factor in sustainable forestry. Oh my gosh, the truck unfortunately overturned into the cold river. Each heavy-duty truck is like a steel warrior, struggling to bear the weight of the huge cargo on steep and muddy roads. The screeching sound of the wheels as they pass through the mud is not only the sound of steel and engine but also the beat of courage. Like a challenge to all obstacles on this harsh road, the driver is like a brave soldier in the deep forest, facing the bumpy, flooded roads without fear. Wow, impressive, the tractor made it up that treacherous slope with a little help from some serious machinery. Fasten your seatbelts, you are about to see the future of forestry in action. These machines are not only fast but are redefining efficiency, precision combined with power level. Never before revolution here. The guy is brave enough to face danger as the tractor is straining to pull logs. Life, if that shocks you, you better hit the like button and hit subscribe. For more shocking action, trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming. Next, stay curious guys, there's always more waiting to be discovered. Chills when driver X drives big truck down. The turns make me dizzy, it's scary. Really, he is trying very hard to pull the truck carrying wood over the slope. It is really difficult when we do not help each other in the most difficult situations. The modern wood splitter is an advanced industrial equipment designed to process wood quickly and efficiently. With a sharp saw blade system made from high-quality alloy, the machine can cut wood into panels or pieces with high precision. Not only that, the modern wood splitter is also designed to reduce noise and limit the amount of dust generated during operation, protecting the working environment. With outstanding features, this device becomes a powerful assistant in the wood processing industry, saving time and improving productivity for production workshops. A tree stump planer is a modern, specialized device for removing tree stumps after they have been cut down. The machine usually consists of a powerful engine, sharp blades or grinding discs, designed to wear down tree stumps close to the ground or deeper depending on the needs. When operating, the blades rotate at high speed, quickly crushing the wood into sawdust, saving time and effort compared to manual stump digging. Tree stump planers are often used in forest clearing, agricultural land clearing or construction site preparation. LKT-81 Turbo just eats up this terrain. It's a monster on wheels. This is what the real logging machine looks like. The competition they're in. Toast, wow, impressive chopping. Taking down such a big tree is hard but up. There. They make it look easy like a chainsaw. Pure pro control. Skills exactly what you'd expect from a real one. Amazing craftsman. Rough terrain and big logs check. LKT-81 Turbo is about to leave you. The bulky truck carrying wood lumbered up the hill. Large bundles of wood stacked precariously on the truck bed. Suddenly, the brakes screeched. The wheels skidded on the slippery road. The entire vehicle shook violently before losing control. Tilting to one side, the heavy vehicle, smoke billowing, created a desolate scene in the middle of the deserted slope. Spaltfix K3800 modern wood chipper for firewood is an advanced industrial equipment designed to process wood into small pieces, serving the needs of firewood or biological materials. The machine is usually solidly constructed with a thick steel frame, a sharp blade system made of alloy steel, helping to cut wood quickly and effectively. The powerful engine allows the machine to operate stably. The Timberjack 1270D is the pinnacle of the logging industry, representing the perfect combination of power, modern technology and sustainability, with the goal of optimizing work performance and minimizing environmental impact. This machine is not only a powerful tool but also a reliable companion for foresters around the world. Possessing a durable and intelligent design, the Timberjack 1270D easily overcomes the most rugged and harsh terrain. The sturdy chassis is perfectly coordinated with a flexible moving system, ensuring powerful operation in all conditions. The highlight is the modern cabin with 360-degree panoramic view, providing optimal control and absolute safety. Not stopping there, the cabin is also equipped with advanced air conditioning and vibration-absorbing seats, providing excellent comfort even during long working shifts. The Timberjack 1270D is more than just a workhorse. He was certainly very free when he took out the chainsaw and cut the wood into small pieces. If you are looking to upgrade, the VT's Opt-TI Foz sawmill is worth taking a serious look at the VT's Opt-TI Foz. Using advanced sensors and computer vision to analyze log dimensions and optimize its high-speed cutting patterns, the automated band saw ensures precise cutting. With a minimal curved floss system, is designed for continuous operation and can handle a variety of lumber sizes, making it a versatile solution for high-production sawmills. Early in the morning, when the dew still lingered on the leaves, a wooden tractor was struggling to overcome the muddy dirt road. Amidst the scenery of a deep green forest, the tractor was painted dark red, standing out against the dark brown mud in the first rays of the new day sunlight. Seemingly having difficulty moving, the tractor slowly rolled, creating a rustling sound as the mud splashed around. Wow, impressive, the truck made it up that treacherous slope with a little help from some serious machinery. Fasten your seatbelts, you are about to see the future. The forestry in action. These machines are not only fast but are redefining efficiency, precision combined with power like never before has there been a revolution here. Ever wonder what happens to those pesky guys? Stump after a tree appears. Down well, no more wondering about this bad boy. Right here, this stump cutter will turn that stump into dust like a wood crusher on steroids, and it is mesmerizing to watch. The tree branch chopper is a modern and useful device in agriculture and gardening. With a neat and sturdy design, the tree branch chopper helps to process branches, leaves and agricultural byproducts quickly, saving time and effort. Our top SC50 tree stump scraper boasts a hydraulically driven cutting wheel with carbide tipped teeth that ensures maximum cutting efficiency even on the toughest of objects. That takes away from its compact design, and articulating steering allows maneuverability in tight spaces. Important feature for clearing and visual preparation. Check if this operator has it going on, see how he stops to assess the situation, then use the smart move of boom. That's what I call thinking on your feet. And Tiger Cat is always reliable. Impressive. Wood peeling machine is a modern machine designed to serve the work of processing wood materials in the wood and paper industries. From a distance, the machine looks like a giant machine with a sturdy structure, including parts such as the machine frame, cutting blade system, rotating shaft, and powerful engine. Wood chopper is one of the indispensable tools in the daily life of farmers and people living in rural areas. With a smart and modern design, the wood chopper has a prominent part, which is the sharp nose, which plays an important role in splitting hard logs into small pieces. The sharp nose is made of stainless steel. Shiny and very durable. Its shape is like a giant blade, tapered at the tip, ensuring that it can penetrate deep into each wood grain without much difficulty. When the machine is operating, this nose rotates combined with the strong force from the engine, making every log, no matter how large, submit. Life if it surprises you better. Hit the like button and subscribe. For more shocking action, trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming. Next, stay curious guys, there's always more waiting to be discovered.